With leaked permits and spotted track, it looks like Six Flags Magic Mountain will be receiving an RMC Raptor for the 2022 season. And thanks to DronesRFun, we have footage of what's going on by Green Lantern, aka the future site of Magic Mountain's Raptor. So, let's go take a look at some of the drone footage. From the footage, we can see that there's not a lot going on at this moment. There are no signs of construction or work. We can even see that the ride and entrance signs are still both there. It'll be interesting to see what they theme this coaster to, but by the looks of the permits, it looks like it'll be themed to the Flash. Work will probably start up again when Holiday in the Park ends, but that's going to do it for this video. Please comment down below your thoughts and opinions, and I'll see you all on the next ride.